Good day, everyone. We are from BSIT 3E, and today we will present our final project titled Advanced Network Architecture with DHCP and EIGRP Optimization. Our group is composed of our leader, Pangilinan Nathan Fay, and I'm Sagom Laki DG, and Robbie Candia.
Company background and network requirements. We design a company composed of three major locations. Each location plays a different role in the company operation. First, our headquarters, named as Robi. This is a central office that contains the company main server, database, and an administrative function. Most traffic and core services pass through this site. Second, our regional office, named as Nathan. This office handles daily operational tasks with moderate traffic needs and service as mid-level communication point. And lastly, our branch office, named as Lucky. This branch manages storage, equipment, and certain applications that support company workflows.
Um, each location requires reliable connectivity, secure communication, scalable IP addressing, and automatic device configuration. Our company also needed our protocol that is fast, efficient, and able to support. I I did consider the work of bandwidth requirements per location, the Lucky Robbie and my name Nathan, and we have security measures for protecting access. We have put in a password for every each router and IP management through DHCP. We use DHCP so we can pull all of the computers on one connectivity on router. Routing stability through iGrip, and all these requirements shaped based on the final design of our network.
Our design uses a three router one topology. Each router represents one location and is connected using serial interfaces. The one networks used are 192.168.9.0 with 30 subnet connecting Lucky and Robbie, and 192.168.10.0 with subnet of 30 also connecting Robbie and Nathan. Each LAN network is assigned a dedicated 24 subnet. Lucky has 192.168.1.0 with 24 subnet. Robbie 192.168.11.0 with also 24, and Nathan 192.168.22.0 with 24. This ensures clear segmentation and avoid IP conflicts.
Yeah. We
Uh,
move on from Robbie.
we use VLSM or variable length subnet masking to allocate IP address efficiently. Using subnet 24 network gives each branch up to 254 usable IP address, which is enough to current needs and future expansion. The serial network uses subnet of 30 because only two devices communicate on each link. This conserves IP address while maintaining efficient routing.
For bran- uh, each branch router also serves as its own DHCP server. Yes, like lately, it has its own DHCP. Uh, to ensure the device receive configuration automatically. The subnet mask give gateway and DNS server. The DHCP pool we have for each is till 1 for Lucky, till 2 for Robbie, and till 3 for Nathan, to have an well-organized and easy managed for addressing structure, reducing errors and administration overhead. As you can see, there's can you go up there? As you can see, the password is encrypted since nobody can read that. And then there's our pool till 2 and our current IP address for GHCP. We use for Robbie 11 since Lucky is used for 1. We only use well for 254 hosts and more for that router. So you can connect to the other router like um, from Lucky to Robbie to Nathan. and Nathan to Robbie. Actually, it's just one connection using 192.168.9.2 and 1. And then for I meant from IP address 192.168.9.2 is used for mine or Lucky. And then for the other series is like 10 is for us. I for Nathan and Robbie. Robbie. Nathan or Lucky. Yeah, Nathan and Rob for for protect more stable connection from pinging or receiving files from another computer from router to router. And there's our password encrypted too. So, Robbie, can you explain more from
The Rovi
from
router, which is the headquarter, has two serial links, one to Lucky and one to Nathan. Each DHCP pool covers the 192.168.11.0 with a subnet of 24 network. We use EIGRP, Optimus System of 100 as our routing protocol. We selected EIGRP because it covers faster than distance vector protocols like RIP. It uses bandwidth-based metrics for more accurate routing. It is scalable for medium to large network. It reduces unnecessary broadcast traffic, and it can balance routes even with paths costs are not equal. These benefits make it suitable for multi-branch company network.
as for mine, since I explained the others, can you try to shut down and on the Robbie so we can use the password for our security. Fast forward. Fast forward. Sige, okay na. CLI. And then enter the just enter and then enter the console password. The console password is lucky. I think you memorized the password there, right? What is the password?
Our first password is
E-bike. Rob,
ebike123, then
Blair.
ebike321, then ebike rob.
Okay. Okay. So we entered that. So we have their console um, password and our secret password from there. So we can. So this is the last. I meant last from our security. So we can help prevent from authorized access from and improve our overall network security.
In conclusion, our network successfully meets all the requirements for scalability, reliability, and security.
Through the combination of DHCP and iGrip, our company network becomes easier to manage, faster to operate, and more secure across all three batches. This concludes our presentation. Thank you for listening and goodbye.
Bye-bye!
Bye bye.
Sabi nga ni Dato is, I love you all!